Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today, we are diving deep into a market with immense potential but significant regulatory hurdles, the Philippines. Specifically, we will explore the process of registering a medical device with the Philippines Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, and the critical role of a local representative. The FDA's Center for Device Regulation, Radiation Health and Research, known as the CDRRRHR, is the governing body here. The single most important thing foreign manufacturers must understand is that you cannot directly register your medical device. You are required to appoint a Local Authorized Representative, or LAR, to handle all submissions and importation. This isn't just a paperwork formality. Before you can even think about submitting your product dossier, your chosen LAR must first secure a license to operate, or LTO, as a medical device importer or distributor. This LTO is a prerequisite for everything that follows. Once your representative has this license, the next step is to classify your device according to the ASEAN Medical Device Directive, or AMDD, risk classification system. This categorizes devices into class A, B, C, or D, from low to high risk. This classification dictates your entire regulatory pathway. For low-risk Class A devices, the process is a straightforward notification, which results in a Certificate of Medical Device Notification, or CMDN. However, for Class B, C, and D devices, a full product registration is required. This submission must be prepared using the ASEAN Common Submission Dossier Template, the CSDT. This is a more rigorous process that requires detailed technical documentation, clinical data, and quality management system evidence. A successful registration yields a Certificate of Medical Device Registration, or CMDR, which is your license to market the product. Let's consider a real-world case. An American medtech company developed an innovative Class C diagnostic device. They saw the Philippines as a key growth market. They prepared a dossier based on their FDA 510(k) clearance, assuming a similar process. They were stopped cold when they realized they couldn't submit it themselves. They had to find a local partner. The crucial point they discovered was that the local importer who holds the LTO and CMDR effectively controls their product in the market. If the relationship with that importer sours, the manufacturer could lose access to their own registration, forcing them to start the entire expensive and time-consuming process over with a new partner. Therefore, the choice of a local representative is a major strategic decision. This partner is not only responsible for the initial registration, but also for all post-market obligations, including vigilance reporting and acting as the official contact for the CDRRHR. They also manage the crucial import clearances needed to bring your product into the country. Choosing an independent representative, whose business is regulatory affairs rather than sales distribution, can provide you with the control and flexibility needed to build a sustainable business in the Philippines. For expert guidance on navigating the complexities of the Philippine market and appointing a local representative, you can email or visit Pure Global.